Today we are looking at a new old stock Carter Day Scalperator. You can pause the video here for pertinent data. This machine was made in 2021. It is new old stock. It's still on the original shipping skid. The unit has set outside. You can see that it has a weight on the unit, 3,278 pounds. The unit is still on the original shipping skid. The unit is in good shape overall. It has not been mishandled. The unit will be stored inside. See, we have the feed roll motor here. It has the cogged timing belt. This unit is in good shape overall. It did not take much to get this unit right into operation. This machine is readily available through us here at CTI. We have the world's largest inventory of all things seed, feed, grain, and recycling related. If you need anything, please reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching.